Today, let's upgrade your instant noodles with our all-new Yummiez Hot and Crispy Chicken Bites. Place the Yummiez Hot and Crispy Chicken Bites in an air fryer and cook at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Pour in the atomic sauce and mix it up. Add a little oil to the pan and toss in chopped onions. Pour water into the pan and add your noodles to cook. Enhance the flavor with a generous sprinkle of cheese. The dish is now rich, saucy, and full of flavor. Serve the noodles in a bowl, topped with hot and crispy chicken bites and an egg on the side. Your instant noodles are now taken to the next level with Yummiez. An epic mealtime upgrade with our hot and crispy chicken bites.